Hi children. Hi children. Today we will see construction, geometrical construction. So seventh class, almost it is useful for all the boards. So basic construction, how many types of construction we have. So in this chapter we'll have two concepts. I mean two main aims. One is the construction of parallel lines, and in that we'll have two types. And after that we'll be having different types of construction. So what is that construction we will see. So geometrical construction we are going to see. So I have taken all the questions from ICSE because I'm in ICSE board now. So seventh class. So the first point is sum of interior angles of a triangle is 180 degrees, that already you learned. So in order to construct a triangle, we need one, of course, two, three rules are there. So the first and foremost condition you need to check is, so the sum of any two sides of a triangle when three measurements are given. So sum of any two lengths should be greater than the third side. It's compulsory, right? So before going to construction, let us recapitulate, let us revise our basics. So based on the types of triangles we're having, based on the sides we'll be having equilateral in which all the sides are equal, and any two sides are equal, then it is called isosceles triangle. And if all the three sides are different, so then it is called scalene triangle. Okay. And based on the angles, we know right angle triangle. Exactly one angle is 90, then it is right angle triangle. Remaining two angles less than 90 degrees, they are acute. So acute means definitely the angle should be less than 90 degrees. Okay, it can be 89.999 like that, 89.9. Okay, so obtuse angle triangle. So one of the angles is greater than 90 degrees and the remaining two are acute angles. Then it is called acute angle triangle. Now, so through this chapter, so we are going to learn two things. What is that? Construction of parallel lines. Okay, so there are two types of constructions, parallel lines. So provided we have a parallel line will be given, and also one point is given off the line. Off the line means which is not on the line. So from that external point, we are going to draw a parallel line for the given parallel line. That is a one type. And the second type is, so that point is given at a fixed distance from the point, maybe 5 centimeters or 3 centimeters like that. So that also we are going to see. Even that also off the line only. Off the line means which is away from the given line. Next, triangles. So basically, we have four types of construction. SSS type. What does it mean, SSS type? So SAS, AAC, RHS, when you see, you will immediately recollect congruencies. So SSS congruency, SAS congruency. So if you understand congruency, I mean, I'm connecting the types of construction with the congruency so that it is easy to you to remember. When all the three sides, three measurements are given, then it comes under SSS type construction or SSS type criteria construction. And when we have two sides and one angle, it is SAS type. And we have two angles and one side, then it is called ASA type construction. And lastly, one angle is 90 degrees and any two sides, one is hypotenuse, remaining two sides. So if you have any two sides, then it comes under RHS congruency criteria, RHS type construction. So basically two aims we have. So how to construct all this? Let us see. So now I'm using MathPad here. So which is a free, even anyone can use it. So this is a web page only, mathpad.co.uk. You can use it. So this is for easy understanding. So this app also is there. This is a web page. So online you can use it. Okay, right. So now, as I earlier told you, I am taking one textbook, that is R.S. Agrawal textbook, which is ICSE 7th class. So almost all the boards will maintain same type of construction. Few books will have different questions. Okay, so without delay, let us start the first question. Right. So the first question, so which is actually exercise 13.1 will be having. So draw a line segment PQ. So before that, I'll just explain the first question, general example. So two model questions I have. So first I'll explain the two model questions, construction of parallel line. After that, I'll start, exercise 13.1. Right. So let us do it first. So construct a line CD. So CD parallel to the given line AB, and from a point outside to it, point P, any point you can take. So in the given question, if you read carefully, two things we have. What is that? AB line is we have, and a point which is away from it, outside of the line we have. So what shall I do? I'll just draw a line here. Okay, I will draw a line here. So name it as AB. Okay, so I'm naming it as AB. So name it as AB. Okay, done. And there is a point, so you should not take on the same track, same path. So little bit away from it, either it can be top or it can be bottom. So I'm taking here. So there is a point here, P. So I'm taking P as a point. So now I'm taking randomly one point here. Okay, so I'm taking a point here on the line randomly take one point, and you have to join it. Okay, so you should join the point as well as the point which you have taken on the line. So let us name it as B. So let us name it as, otherwise we have to draw CD, no? So let us take other than CD. A, B, C, D, or four letters are used, P also used. Let us take E. So E as a point I'm taking here on the line, randomly anywhere you can take. Okay, no? So anywhere you can take. So now after that, what you take any random radius. Okay, any random radius. So using compass, draw one arc from here. Okay, so I'm taking here, I'm just drawing a arc here. So random radius means any radius according to you. So I'm taking just 3 centimeters roughly, or 2 centimeters. So I'm drawing an arc like this. And similarly, okay, take the compass, and so take this point P. So P as a center, actually, let us take here, otherwise randomly here. So we have taken one point, so it is not coming. I am taking this point. So this point as a center, again I have to draw one arc like this. Okay, from here with the same radius we have to draw. So I have drawn one more arc. Okay, two arcs with the same radius I have drawn. Okay, after that what you do? So let us name these points as A, B, C, D, E, F. I am taking as F. So this point as F. Okay, E, F, G, and H. This point I am taking as H. Now what you have to do? So take your compass. Okay, put the compass. We are measuring the same angle here. So just take the measure of angle GEF. So GEF you have to measure. This is a measuring of angle, because same angle I am planning to construct here, so that I get alternative interior angles, and through that I can draw a parallel line. So I have measured it. So I'm locking it, and take the same thing, and H as a center, cut the arc. I'm taking a different color for your understanding. So now you need to cut the arc. So as you cut the arc with the same angle, so now if you draw a parallel line, if you draw a line, so you will get it here. So this is actually parallel line. Now, but we need to construct CD, right? So what you do, just you extend it a little bit more. Okay, so this blue color, let us take. So extend it. So I'm taking it, and I'm extending this point. Okay, from here I'm extending here till here, and also this point I'm extending. Okay, so till where you have to extend? So till some point D. Right. So you just name them as C, and this point name them as D. Okay, so CD is done. Now I need to check whether my answer is correct or not. So the thing is only I need to measure this value. So exactly how much? So as you see, the value equal to 0 degrees. So roughly it is. So you have to take it. So as you see clearly, so it is roughly 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 68, 68 or 69 like that. So even I should get the same value here. So I'm taking the measure here. So it should be on for. Okay, right. So now as you see, if you start counting here, okay, so this value actually this point till here you have to count. Otherwise, we'll do one thing. We'll just measure from here. Okay, see here 0. I mean, I'm trying to measure this point 0, 10, 30. So exactly rough, see exactly 69. See here 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 69. So exactly this angle is equal to this angle. So therefore, that is done. Like this, we have to construct a triangle, parallel. Okay, done. Next, right. And the next one. So what is the next one? So construct a line CD parallel to the given line AB, and from a point outside 4 centimeters away from it. So from AB, it should be 4 centimeters away, and we are going to construct CD parallel line. It should be 4 centimeters away from AB. That is what. Okay, come on, let us go ahead. So draw a line, okay, with any random radius. So I'm drawing it, okay, any line. So name it as AB. Okay, so name it as AB. So I'm just naming it as AB. Right. So after that, 4 centimeters away from it. So distance should be perpendicular exactly. So in that case, what you have to do, take any point randomly here. Okay, so randomly, I'm taking a point here randomly. Right. So this point as a center. Now you have to draw a straight line. Perpendicular bisector also you can take, no issues at all. But I'm taking this point as a one random point. I have named it as CD, right? A, B, C, D, E. So I'm taking E. So I'm taking this point as E. So what you do, so E as a center. So draw the two arcs left side and right side. So like this. One and the other side. So other side you have to draw. Okay, right. Okay, done. Okay, so after that, name these points. You can, if you want, you can, while to write construction steps conveniently, you can take FG also. That is your wish, but I'm not taking it. So these two arcs intersection point as a center. Again, I have to draw two arcs here. So now I'm just moving it and I'm changing the color. So with any random radius, so little comfortable radius, okay, comfortable radius. So it means both the arcs should be intersecting. If you draw the two arcs from these two red color dots, so both the arcs should intersect. That is called comfortable radius. Okay, more than half length is nothing but comfortable radius. So that is up to you. Okay, from this left side arc, I am drawing one arc here. Okay, again I'm just shifting here. So I have to cut this arc. So you have to cut it. So cut it, and you will get an intersection point here. So this is an intersection point. So through this intersection point, draw a straight line. Okay, so like this. Okay, otherwise, so I'm just drawing from here because we need a big line. So I have drawn it. And so now, but the distance from this line is already given 4 centimeters, right? Now with the compass, okay, the ruler, take the ruler and measure 4 centimeters. So take it, mark it on 4 and just expand it. So as you expand, now this is a 4 centimeters. So now take up the scale. So this as a center. Now you need to cut the arc. Okay, so for this I am using a different color, preferably red color or else pink color I am using. So cut the arc. Okay, right. So you got it. So which is exactly 4 centimeters. So then name this point as P. So let us name this point as P. Okay, so I'm just marking here, which is a point P. Okay, this as a point. Now again repeat the same step as you repeated with point E. So repeat the same thing. So this as a center, this point as a center, again with a comfortable radius. So now draw the two arcs. Okay, so I'm just taking the other color or else same. Okay, I'm taking this brown. Now draw the two arcs. Left side one arc. Okay, and similarly right side also you have to draw one more arc. Okay, so here you have to draw. Okay, right. Now two arcs you have drawn. Right. So two arcs we have drawn, left side and right side, done. Then what to do again? So these two arcs as a center with any convenient radius. So just a little bit expand. Okay, now lock it and draw the arc, one arc. Okay, from left side point. Again move the compass and take this point as a center. So cut the arc. Now you get an intersection point between the two arcs through point P and through intersection point. So join it, you will get a parallel line, exactly parallel line. So this is called parallel line. I am just taking the black color. So if you join, you will get a parallel line. So this is what parallel line. Extend little bit. Okay. And here also just little bit extend. So actually since you have to draw properly. So this is exactly, otherwise the measure will be changed. So this is what parallel line, done. So let us name it as CD. Okay, so C and this point as D. So this is what the construction of a parallel line for the given line AB. Okay, with the 4 centimeters away from it. So which is exactly 4 centimeters. So this is what the construction distance from P to E. P distance equal to 4 centimeters. That is how we construct a parallel line. So two constructions I completed till now. So remaining all we have. So let us start 13.1. Clear. So this is a very simple. So and even this construction without using protractor I have done. Using protractor also you can do off, and there are different ways are there to construct it. But I am following. So this is I feel this is a easy one. That is why I am following it. Otherwise, what is the other method? So you just take a randomly any point. On that you have to take 90 degrees like this, and so draw an arc 4 centimeters radius, and that point mark it as P. P as a center, either left side or right side, take 90 degrees. Okay, you will get a one point. Join P and the new point. So you will get a parallel line. Obviously, both are correct. That is also one of the methods. Like that, we'll have different methods, or perfectly you can draw a construct 90 degrees without protractor. Two times you need to construct 90 degrees without protractor. That is what actually the meaning says. Okay, so that is what the mean. Okay, but anyway I feel this method is a easy one, easily students will follow, so that is why I taught it. Okay, right, now let us see. So next video I'll explain 13.1 each and every question, and next video 13.2 I'll explain.